Hello, this is Steve, Director at Effect, and I'm just going to show you the Better Tools Company website. Basically here they wanted a strong, precise brand and a simpler site that they could expand on later. So we did a quick set of logo designs and arrived on this one. This main area here is to communicate their gist statement so you can understand what's going on here when you're their audience. So driving tool sales through innovation and sourcing excellence. And here are the brands they carry. And you probably have noticed instead of a slideshow up here, we have this gist statement, which everybody needs to know when they come there, and then the main things going on, which are these sections. So there's 3 of these kinds of sections that oftentimes are put into a slideshow on a website. And the reason we did not put them into a slideshow is because the slideshows, oftentimes when visitors looking at them, they move, and then you were reading something, or maybe you didn't finish reading it, and then you have to find the button to go back, and it can move on its own again, and then people typically don't wait around and watch them, so they miss some of the important messages that may be in there. So that's why we went this route. So we've got size them up message, brands they carry, just so you know, and then important things. And we boiled these down to what's going on, so it's not a whole bunch of text. Like they have this really cool ratchet, here's what's cool about it, click here for more information. Cool knife, what's cool about it, more information. And then, by the way, we're exclusive distributors of this special brand of tape measures. And then we get into, you can click on a button to see, go into those current brand pages. So let's take a quick look at the brand landing pages. So we've got the title screen up here, and we've got these bullet points to size up what this brand is about. Then we get into the really cool ratchet, which is the main thing right now. Other details down here, the really cool knife and how it works and why it's going to save you time and just be a lot more fun to work with when you're trying to get something done. And then other things. So you can see how this is kind of laid out. It's sort of like an Apple-like presentation where you get the gist, and as you move down, it starts pointing out main features or benefits or aspects that people really want to know in the order they want to know them. And when you keep it visual and not a bunch of tiny text but just some bigger bullet points, visitors really get a lot out of what they're seeing. And if you do have some details like this, you can put them more towards the bottom. And by the way, there's a video with how it works. And to wrap it up, if you need customer support, here you go. And if you want to buy this thing or these tools, here's where you can buy them. So these landing pages for brands are simple, effective, and they can expand those later. And the different brands have different things on them. So we wanted to help people understand, what all Hippo offered, size that up more, get the catalogs, then why Hippo, and contact us. So some of these brands are developing, and then these pages will evolve. But so that is it. I think perhaps if we take anything away from this, it is make your pages interesting to the visitor. And what I mean is help them size it up, get to the main bullet points, and then walk them through what they care about most, what they want to know about most, in the order they want to know about it, and then follow it up with a call to action. Thanks very much for watching.